kuu nchini humo imetoa amri kuitaka idara ya polisi ya Uganda kuondoka nyumbani kwa kiongozi wa upinzani Robert Chagulanyi almaarufu Bobi Wine. Mawakili ambao wanamwakilisha kiongozi huyo walifika mahakamani Alhamisi wiki jana wakitaka achiliwe kutoka kizuizi cha polisi nyumbani kwake baada ya kuzuiliwa kwa wiki moja.
Having considered all the circumstances of this case, it is my finding that the continued indefinite restriction and confinement of the applicant to his home is unlawful. In the result, it has been established that his right to personal liberty has been infringed. The first issue is therefore answered in the affirmative. On the second issue, where the applicant is entitled to the remedies sought, the applicant had prayed for a writ of habeas corpus. This court will proceed under Section 34 of the Judicature Act as cited above, and Rule 6 of the Judicature Habeas Corpus Rules, which stipulates, without prejudice to Rule 4.1 of the rules, the court hearing the application of a writ of habeas corpus may, in its discretion, order that the person restrained be released, and that order shall be sufficient warrant to the officer in charge of a prison, police station, public officer, or any other person for the release of the person under restraint. Having found, as I do, that the restrictions imposed on the applicant are unlawful, it is hereby ordered that they are lifted. Consequently, an order for restoration of the personal liberty of the applicant is hereby issued.
But High Court has made it very succinctly clear that his freedoms have been deprived all this while, that is clearly under illegal detention, and they have ordered that police and the military vacate his premises immediately. We are hoping that they will comply with this order of the High Court, such that they go and keep themselves busy, because they are being idle and disorderly at Honorable Chagulanyi's home, and yet they have plenty of work to do as police and the military.
Na mtazamaji, tukitoka nchini Uganda